to me.
Heard he in his feelings by the bitch that left him. Better lock and get some money. I told my brothers to stay focused, know they want you bummy. Came a long way from surviving off weak, now we making pics. Bitch niggas just love talking, we don't distance. Know that we won't miss 100 shots to hit his crib. They know he's sleeping in it, be the niggas you thought that was your closest kin. That leave you in the ditch, ooh. Stressing by the bitch, some shit I never do. He was skipping school, now he holding tools. He bound to make the news, yeah, breaking news. They killed her baby, stood over that dude. They hate to see you make it, so they aim at you. I play it cool, I play it smart. They got 100 rounds. He just cap a lot, but ain't got polo sound. Every time they spin his block, he nowhere to be found. Catch us moving on, trying to navigate our way about the storm. I see my mother crying, cause my father's not coming home. I had to tighten up, coming from the gutter. They don't shine no light on us. Remember riding on that bus, bitches laugh at us. Reminiscing on them hard times. We ain't had nobody, got us through them guidelines. Freedom niggas that decide to commit crimes. Better their family lives. Systematic changes can't change how we step on landmines. Been through pain, how my pain, but you see it in my eyes. Closest one saved their backs, they were snakes deep in disguise. I had to step back just to see who was really by my side. Now it's time to ride. Bad decisions make plenty, it's still stuck on my mind. Had people cross me, they lost me, so now they watch my life. Can't wait to be frosty, VVS and zip eyes. We moving, we grooving, money is steady on my mind. You said you had my back, first chance you got, you left my side. Speaking in the legs, bumping Pac, trying to ease my mind. But the devil deep inside, tell me what be on your mind. Like I heard my mother cry, gunshots ring out at night. Catch me riding through the nighttime, fighting off these demons in the nighttime. Gave you my trust and all you gave was lies. Tell me how I'm supposed to sleep at night. He from the block, they got 100 rounds. He just cap a lot, but ain't got polo sound. Every time they spin his block, he nowhere to be found. Catch us moving on, trying to navigate our way about the storm. I see my mother crying, cause my father not coming home. I had to tighten up, coming from the gutter. They don't shine no light on us. Remember riding on that bus, bitches laugh at us.